Hello again, here we go with another example. In this example, we'll draw this sketch. So, we will start with big circle, and we will have another one here. Then we will have these circles. So, the first radius is 39.5. So, hit Ctrl A, then delete to clear the screen. So, here we go with the first circle. So, here we have the value of the radius, which is 39.5. So this will be 39.5 multiplied by 2. Zoom out, and then we have another circle here, and it will be 15.5 multiplied by 2. Now, as you can see here, we have a tangent line to the circle, and it goes all the way up to the end, and the same here. So pick a line and move the mouse over the circle until you get this quadrant point. Then use it to draw a horizontal line and do the same here. Now select Trim Entities, trim these, and trim these. Now let's sketch these circles. We have the radius of 5, and as you can see, the distance here is 55. So sketch a circle and then make it vertical with the origin, and then set this distance to 55 over 2. And finally, this diameter should be 10. So now there's no need to redraw this here and here. So let's go to circular sketch pattern. So this will be my point here, and I need to pattern this 360. The number is 4. Go all the way down and select instances to skip, and this time skip this one. Then hit OK. This sketch is not fully defined. We have a problem here. I try to drag this here, and as you can see, the point of revolution is not coincident with the origin. So now select this point, hold Ctrl, select the origin, and then make coincident. Now everything is fine. That was it for this exercise. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next exercise.